Hi guys, this is Anthony Williams, Chief Operation Officer with BizTexter. Thanks for coming again, checking out the videos. This video is going to deal with auto replies and scheduled messages. Okay, so most of you guys that have been on here can see this, right? You have your standard, your custom, and your advanced. Real simple is your standard. These are automatic responses. We've already set this up for you. So as easy it is if this is a new opt-in, right? The person says, no problem, I have no problem with you texting to me. You know, you're going to make a response in here. This is going to be your initial text message that they see. So when they type back in menu, they go here and they see this response. Okay, these are not your contacts. These are scheduled or auto replies, right? These are your contacts. So you can choose who you want to schedule those replies to go to. Now inside here, do not pick all contacts. All contacts does not work in this section. Okay, we will remove it. We're going to fix it. But as of right now, all contacts does not work in this section. So what I would do is choose menu, test group, whatever the case may be, and choose whatever ones those people went into. That's where they're going to be. Okay, and that's what you want to do. Now, accuracy control, strict and exact, loose match. This will be, it's very, very tight to the word that you're saying, or it has some room to play. Block patterns are simple. Block patterns are, if you see a number that you know is no good, you can put the number in, or any form or pattern of that number that you know is not good, put that in there. It'll block it from coming in or going out. So, example, AT&T customer service has 4 zeros. If you notice 4 zeros, put them in there like that. Hit save, and it will then block numbers that end in 4 zeros. Okay, as simple as that, guys. Your keywords. The keywords are going to depend on the industry. I wouldn't really touch these too much unless you have case-specific keywords. So, example, you're a nightclub owner and you want to make sure people are over the age of 21. You can say over 21, comma. There we go. Do not leave. Leave it like that. Don't do a comma and have blank. Okay, leave it without the comma. You'll have no problems doing that that way for you. Okay. Now, virtual number users cannot use the word help, so this will be null. They can respond back via menu, but help is one of the words that does not work when somebody's using a virtual number. Okay. Now, you can customize your responses and replicate the names of your contacts, right? So you can say test group and have all those test group people in there. But once again, this is not your contacts. These are the individuals that replied with that keyword. Okay? So I just wanted to let you know that. So now when you get into the schedule messages, right, because now you're used to this and, okay, I got all my things, this is everything. If you have all of these checked, you're going to be awesome. Your phone is going to be having conversations with people without you having to worry about it. If you don't have these checked, every time that they want to know something about this, you're going to have to manually go in there and answer that question. And that's taking away time from you making money. So what I would advise is to follow the advice through this video, and it'll help you not waste time. Now, in scheduled messages, just say I go in for 24 hours. Sorry. 24 hours, what this is doing is this is allowing you to automatically use a drip campaign. So for those people who have been in the industries before and they used an email drip campaign, this is a drip campaign with text messages. Now, in this, you can use all contacts, okay? And what you want to do is pick whatever number that you're going to use and when you're going to send it. So you can see this is going to send after 24 hours and customize your message, okay? I want to be really clear. Hit activate. Okay, if you don't hit activate, we've noticed this with some customers. They don't hit activate and it doesn't fire off and doesn't follow up. That's why, because you didn't hit activate. Okay, so activate is very important to make sure that that's being done. Okay, so timed messages like these are only in response to a message that has previously been sent. Let me say that again. These only occur to messages that have previously been sent. Okay? So what you want to do also, if you want to do schedule, you can schedule a new campaign. You can choose the rate of what you want to do, same way like you're doing these other things. Now daily, if no time set, so for example Monday, If you haven't chosen a time, then it will automatically go when your sleep timer ends. So let me repeat that. If you do not specify a time in here, it will automatically start when this is over, when it wakes up. Okay, so I want to be really clear about that for you guys. And you always want to make sure, regardless if it's daily, scheduled, or timed, activate is clicked for that right there. Okay, that's all that you really want to focus on for any of that there. Now, when you're looking at this, you can customize these. So if you have specific groups, you could send them out on certain days. You can handle all of that and also choose the send rate that you want to utilize as well. Okay. So that was a really quick overview, but that's how simple it is, guys. If you follow what I just said and you follow that whole bit about setting up having all your active responses, making sure that your keywords are clear, making sure that your LinkedIn group, your linked group is attached to what you're saying, and you have block patterns, right? Your replies are set up properly. You'll have no problems. What ends up happening that we've noticed is that people go in, they mess around, they forget to click a button here or there, and now they're screwed up, right? They've lost time, they messed up something that was working already, and we're not saying it's always you. We know that that's not the case. There's a few things that happen here or there. It could be the server, it could be the carrier, a couple things that can happen. But what I really want to be clear is if you follow the way that I just went through this video, you're not going to have any problems. Okay? But if you do have problems, call us. And I am so blessed that we get as much feedback as we do from our customers because that is what's making the app better. So I want to thank you guys for all of your feedback. We greatly appreciate it. We love you guys. I hope you enjoyed these videos. They will help you. Let us know if you have any problems. Happy texting, guys.